If you're running a business, mastering Google Workspace can streamline your operations and boost your productivity. But with so many features and tools, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we're going to reveal proven strategies that will help you master Google Workspace for your business. Getting started with Google Workspace, a step-by-step guide. Hi, I'm Allie from Hiver. So how can you make the most out of Google Workspace? It's important to understand two things: the key features of Google Workspace and how to effectively use these features to benefit your business. So let's dive in. The first step is signing up to Google Workspace. The first thing you need to do is create a Google Workspace account. Head over to the Google Workspace website and click on the Get Started Now button. Over there, you'll be asked to provide your business name, the number of employees who will be using the workspace, and your region. For this example, we'll use the business name GetPlenix and select 229 for the number of employees. Next, you'll need to have a domain, which is your company's name, like getplenix.com or getplenix.co. This is crucial for setting up your email and Google Workspace. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase one through popular domain hosting services. For this tutorial, we'll use a domain we already own, getplenix.co. Once you've entered your domain, you'll be asked to create a username and password. This username will also be your business email address. For example, we will use info@getplenix.co. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you can review your payment plan and proceed to make the payment. It's important to note that Google Workspace offers different plans to cater to various business needs. Make sure to choose the plan that aligns best with your requirements and budget. After reaching this page, the initial step is to activate My Gmail for this specific domain. To do this, you have to click on the Activate button. It is worth noting that my domain was constructed using GoDaddy, as evident here. Consequently, I simply need to click on Sign In to access my GoDaddy account. Once that is done, I will click on Connect. Our email setup is now complete. Now with step 2, let's move on to setting up users and groups. Now that you've created and activated your Google Workspace account, it's time to set up users and groups. Users are individuals within your organization who will have access to the Google Workspace tools such as Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Meet. Groups, on the other hand, allow you to manage access and permissions for multiple users at once. Within the Google Workspace admin console, you can easily add new users, assign licenses, and customize settings. By organizing users into groups based on their roles or departments, you can streamline collaboration and enhance productivity. Now that you have your account set up and users assigned, it's time to dive into the core Google Workspace tools. Let's take a closer look at 3 essential tools: Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Meet. Gmail, Google's email service, offers a powerful platform for communication. Customize your inbox, organize emails into folders or labels, and leverage advanced features like filters and canned responses to enhance your email management. Google Drive is a cloud storage solution that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files from anywhere. Create folders, upload documents, and grant access to specific users or teams. You can even enable real-time collaboration, making teamwork seamless and efficient. Lastly, Google Meet provides a secure and reliable video conferencing solution. Schedule meetings, invite participants, and share screens to facilitate efficient communication and collaboration, whether you're working remotely or in the office. Step 4. Maximizing productivity with additional features. Google Workspace offers numerous additional features that can take your productivity to the next level. Let's explore a few of them. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are powerful productivity tools that allow you to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations online. Collaborate in real time with colleagues, track changes, and ensure everyone is on the same page. To master Google Workspace, it's also important to understand how to manage your settings and preferences. For example, you can customize your Gmail inbox, set up out-of-office replies, and manage your notifications. Now, mastering Google Workspace is not just about knowing how to use the tools. It's also about implementing best practices. For instance, you should regularly back up your files in Google Drive, use strong passwords, and enable 2-step verification for added security. And remember, Google Workspace is all about collaboration, so make sure to use these tools to collaborate with your team, share ideas, and work together more efficiently. And as you dive deeper into Google Workspace, you might be looking for ways to manage shared inboxes or emails from your external vendors more efficiently, as your inbox can look cluttered. That's where Hiver comes in. Hiver is a Google-based solution that turns your shared inboxes into a powerful, collaborative platform. So if you're a busy bee, then visit www.hiverhq.com to see how Hiver can boost your team's productivity and streamline your email management. So there you have it. By understanding the key features of Google Workspace and implementing these strategies, you can truly master Google Workspace for your business. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Also, be sure to check out our free guide and productivity handbook for Google Workspace users. This guide provides step-by-step instructions, tips, and best practices to help you make the most of Google Workspace. Remember, the better you can leverage Google Workspace, the more efficient and productive your business can be. So start mastering Google Workspace today and take your business to the next level. See you soon in another video.